Looking for a peaceful, private acreage that still keeps you close to everything? This beautifully maintained 3-acre property is just 5 minutes from Edmonton city limits, and it's listed for $469,900. Inside, you'll find a bright, welcoming layout with 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, a spacious eat-in kitchen with plenty of cabinetry, and a primary suite with a 3-piece ensuite, plus convenient main floor laundry. Downstairs, the fully finished walkout basement gives you incredible flexibility with a huge rec room, cozy gas fireplace, an office, and lots of storage. Outside, enjoy the quiet setting from your deck and take advantage of the double detached garage for parking, hobbies, and extra space. With no subdivision restrictions, this could also be a great fit for a small business owner. If you'd like to book a private showing, send me a message. I'd love to help you see if this is the right fit for you. I'm Benita Pashko with Remax Elite, and I'm never too busy for your referrals.